Okay, so now you're going to move to Group B, and you will be performing 15 repetitions on each leg of your stationary lower body dips. Some people call them lunges. I like to call them dips because you're not really lunging forward, you're just dipping. So 15 reps on one leg. So I chose to start with my left foot forward for the lunges, so now I'm putting my left foot up on the bench. So you're going to do 15 of your bridges, and then you're moving to your right leg for the dips. 15 repetitions, and then the right leg will be up on the bench. Again, chair, bench, anything that's elevated is fine. So squeeze those glutes on the way up. And now you're going to move to your plank twists. So you can either do alternating, or if you want to challenge yourself like I am here, you're going to do the same side. You're going to do 15 to one side, 15 to the other. And then you're going to go back through Group B and perform 3 sets of each exercise. And make sure with the single leg exercises you're performing 3 on each leg. So it's kind of like 6 total sets for that exercise. Now you're moving to your second cardio blast. Again, 30 seconds regular pace, 30 seconds sprint, 30 seconds regular pace. It down, and now you're going to head into Group C. So first you're going to do the bench